observed?
Dr. Hill, this whole conversation of, cognitive decline, I mean, it's more than just clinical. It's very personal and it's sensitive. And, you know, I know because I've seen it, a lot of times there is resistance among, within the parent themselves because they may be in denial that this is happening. Um, have you, can you speak to that, and how can we respectfully, work with a parent who's just, got that challenge? It's like, I know something is happening to me. I don't want to acknowledge it, but
Yeah, yeah. I tell you, these kinds of conversations are challenging, even when there aren't, memory problems. I have a older adult mom, and we're really having good discussions about how she's continuing to age, but sometimes they can be challenging. Family members, we play an important role, because we are often the first to notice, signs of cognitive decline in a loved one. And unfortunately, many of us are reluctant to broach the subject because we always want to remember, our loved one, our parent, our aunt and uncle, in the ways that, we best remember them. And this can be especially challenging if you're worried, that your family member will be upset or react poorly, when you raise the sensitive topic. But, as difficult as it may be, it is critical that families discuss cognitive concerns as soon as possible. It's important to identify what is causing cognitive changes. Some causes of the cognitive decline are treatable, including, let's say, for example, depression or sleep problems, side effects from various medicines or certain vitamin deficiencies. So even if the cause is something more serious, hopefully not Alzheimer's or another dementia, early diagnosis offers the best opportunity for care management and treatment. And so before having a conversation, talk to other family members to share your concerns. Ask if others are noticing the same signs that you see, and anticipate that some family members may dismiss, the changes to the person. It's just they're just getting older. Yeah, mom is just getting older. And also keep in mind that sometimes spouses often cover for one another.
mm,
So still, it's best to trust your gut and raise concerns if you suspect that there is a potential problem. Discuss who is best to have the conversation and choose someone your family member trusts and is likely to listen to. So, overall, it's best to be honest and compassionate. Start by sharing some of the things you've noticed and asking if your loved one is also concerned. So, for example, you may say, Mom, I've noticed you're having a hard time making holiday cookies this year. And I'd like to talk to you about what may have happened. You may have been making them for years, and it's this is just not like you. Focus on the specifics. Share them in a way you think your loved one, your family member will be able to hear it, and let them know, most importantly, that you've got their back throughout the entire process. And if this first attempt doesn't go as well as you would have liked, take time to regroup. Maybe jot down some notes and try a different time of the day, or recruit someone else to talk to your loved one. Perhaps a different family member, a friend, or someone at church or a faith community. You can also share your concerns with your loved ones, doctor. But it's important to have that conversation. And while there's no easy way to have this conversation, it's important to always know that there are resources, and the Alzheimer's Association offers conversation tips at aoz.org. to help families. I would encourage your listeners and viewers to really engage our website. There's a wealth of information there.
And I'm putting that for those of us catching this on the video replay. I'm putting the website URL. It's www.alz.org/volunteer. Visit the website. There's just tons of information on there. And I'll put that up again during our conversation.